I know it's running me, but I truly feel so sunny thinking of you. Thanks for bringing warmth to my life. I hope you have a great day today, Queen. You deserve it. I feel so honored that you make time and space for me in your life. Just wanted to say thank you and good morning. It's a beautiful morning made me think of you. Good morning. I need to swim for a minute. I can't believe you excites you are more than I could have ever hoped for, and I feel so unbelievable privileged that I get to know you and love you. I wish I could individually thank everyone who's in any way responsible for your birth. I love you. Hey, just wake up thinking about how cute you are. I'm feeling really lucky to love you this morning. I started demo scrolling when I wake up this morning, but then I thought of you. Now I'm looking at this photo and smiling. Instead, send a cute photo of the recipient. Every moment that I spend with you is the best moment of my life. I cherish every moment of our relationship and always will because you mean the entry word to me. I love you. I really don't know why birds choose to fly, flowers choose to bloom. I don't know why the sun rises from the east and sets in the west, but I really know why I love you, and that is forever. You make me feel loved, wanted, adored, and respected. If being a half is what makes you happy, then I will gladly be yours, and you will be many. I love you. The first time I saw you, I was afraid to let you into my heart. The first time I kissed you, I was afraid to want you closer. The first time I loved you, I was afraid to lose you. You will become a necessity in my life. You are every breath that I take. I want to be the blanket that keeps you from drying. Want winter the glass of water that quenches your thirst, the pill that cures your headache, and the pillow that keeps you comfortable. I want to be your everything. I love all of you, even your flaws, because every flaw makes you who you are. They make you perfect to me. I would not want you to change anything. I could travel across the sea, cross the river, and move mountains for you. My love for you knows no bounds. I feel happy whenever I see you are online because it makes me know that I am the only one in your heart as well as your thoughts and mind. I love you, my feelings for you are like the universe. There is a star for love, and that's you. There's a planet for loyalty, and that's me. There's a moon for memories, and that's of us. There's a black hole for mystery, and that's what you all always be to me.